is Loide Matias da Silva. I am officially a focal point for climate adaptation and resilience projects at UNIDO. And UNIDO is the United Nations Industrial Development Organization, and we are based in Austria. Really interesting question. How would I define myself in the climate adaptation realm? I would define myself as someone who designs, implements, and advocates for climate adaptation projects, and I have a special focus on youth and women. I think that would be the best definition for me. My professional approach to climate adaptation is the same as my unit, so CTI unit, which is a Climate Technology and Innovation unit. We believe and focus on locally led adaptation. We believe that the vulnerable populations, so the communities who are affected by the impact of climate change, are the best to help us provide solutions and strategies then to adapt to what's happening. So I would say that our strategy, it's locally led strategies, locally led approaches, looking to the communities around it. In terms of education and community education, I think they are the center. Climate adaptation and all the different projects and initiatives that we design, they will only work effectively and sustainably and also last longer if we involve every single stakeholder involved in this ecosystem, right? And for that, we need a lot of training. We need a lot of understanding and speaking in the same language, meaning that, let's say, a government organization needs to understand, the NGOs needs to understand what we're doing, the private partners as well, and ourselves as well, who are designing and implementing those projects. So I would say training, education, and communicating in a language that we can all understand. The strategy, the individual roles and responsibilities is really, really important. So I would advocate to educate all the stakeholders involved in this specific ecosystem. So this is my first ECCA. So what did I expect from ECCA? I came kind of hoping for everything, which is quite interesting because I actually got everything. It was really interesting. So from sessions focused on policy, on finance, and specific technologies, we also got sessions that focus, for example, on activists, which I think is an area that needs a little bit more of attention. We also had art. So I think ECCA somehow, in a really brilliant way, deliver everything and more. It was really, really exciting. I can't wait for the next one.